Good day, ma'am, sir. My name is Mary Jane C. Cada from Antipolo City, 30 years of age, and I am confidently believe in my works. And also I am confidently doing a laboratory in face-to-face class and online class. I have a lot of skills, but my favorite skills in all is cooking, singing, and entertaining my friends and my family. As a student of MPC, I am confidently beautiful and smart woman. And I am proud to say that any task and activity of my professor asks me to do, I will make it with confidently done and finished. And also, I am interested for a job position as a cook. I am fast learner. I can comply in any situation inside and outside the kitchen, giving a suggesting and any idea to make the job smooth and perfectly done.